Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's 12:50 Friday. Just kind of waking up a little late. About to make some breakfast, take a shower, clean up the RV a little bit, and go out and get a couple things done for work. Got a few days till my teeth pulling. It'll be on Monday. Oh, I will be so happy when it's done and over with, though. I hate anticipation. Gonna just use nitrous oxide. No anesthesia. I couldn't handle the idea of that. I've had insomnia my whole life. I don't know what it's like to just be turned off. And I don't like needles. Just wasn't gonna happen. So on the 6th, that'll get done, and then I'm gonna start getting ready to boondock. I am itching to hit the road. The sway bar bushings are almost all done. There's 2 more I have to order because I ordered, again, the wrong ones. I don't know why I keep ordering the wrong ones. Something on the internet I'm reading I am in the wrong forum or something. I don't know. I need 2 more bushings. Those should be here any day. So I got 2 more bushings to put in, and that will be all done. I'll get that video made. I also tried out the gaming system, made a quick little video about that, just giving it a trial run. And also, for those who want to help out the channel, I got signed up with the associate program through Amazon, and as an associate I earn on qualifying purchases. So I got some affiliate links down below. If you guys want to shop on Amazon, you just use the link. Helps me out, doesn't cost you anything. 2 videos coming up, the sway bar bushings. The gaming video will probably come first since that finished. And then after the 6th, we'll get back to boondocking. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.